Hi, I'm Daniel Bayer, Verisium Debug Product Engineer, and today we're going to be talking about low power debug features in Verisium Debug. Now, in modern designs, we see that low power is getting more and more important. For this reason, we added low power features throughout Verisium Debug. Now, you have the power of looking into the design browser. You can see that in the waveform. You have the schematic viewer, and there's also a dedicated power browser to allow you analyzing all of your power domains at a glance. You can use the source browser to trace from the RTL into the UPF why a power domain has been turned on or off. So this is really powerful. You can also use the schematic viewer to visualize which power domain is located where. You can also make sure that this power domain visualization shows you all encapsulated power domains, because usually you will have multiple of these power domains. Now, for understanding a power domain, you also need information about Liberty files, and this is also 100% supported in Verisium Debug. Now, for you to get more automation into your low power debug, we also implemented the Python API to support low power features. This helps you to automatically understand and drive the scripting why domains have toggled, where those domains are located. And you can point your engineers immediately to the location where the power domains have been turned on, turned off. You'll find the power supplies, you'll find the isolation rules, everything that you need for power debug, you'll find in Verisium Debug. I hope you found this video helpful, and for more information, please visit cadence.com.